100 people walk out of a building today. Restaurant, Best Buy, apartment building, home, grocery store, doesn't matter. 100 people walk out and they see that someone has dinged or dented their vehicle. What percentage of those people Google nearest paintless dent repair facility near me?
100.
Who said none? If I had a prize right now, I'd give you that prize. Because none is the right answer. You said 100%?
100%.
What are you thinking?
Like me, maybe. I would know.
You're the only person I've come across in the entire country who would Google that.
What can I say? I'm yellow.
Okay. Here's the reality of it. Do people get dings and dents? Yes, they do. Do they get them fixed? No, they don't. How many of you know? How much? Well, Junior may know this. Junior, you're not allowed to answer the question, okay? How many of you who have been in the car business for some length of time, most of you, how many of you know how much it costs to get a ding or dent fixed using the paintless dent repair process the size of a quarter? So how much?
320.
Pretty funny?
No, you said
320?
for the paint, without paint, you're
No,
saying.
this is paintless dent repair.
Oh, like 55 bucks.
Salvador wins another prize that I don't have. Okay? About 50, 60 bucks is what it costs. If it's as big as a credit card, it could be up to 150. But nobody gets these things fixed. So, consequently, if we tell them we're going to give them paintless dent repair, by the way, they have no idea what that is. Even if they do know what it is and they've never had a ding or dent fixed, how much value have we created?
Not much.
How about zero? None. Nada. I was at a restaurant last night and there was a hostess stand and there was people waiting and the little girl had a microphone and she called somebody's name. I commandeered that microphone and said, attention, attention, attention. If you come up and give me your name and your email address, I'll give you a year's worth of paintless dent repair. How many people do you think would have gotten up out of their seats? Okay, Julio's got the right answer. Nobody. They don't know what it is. You're not creating any value when you tell somebody we're going to give them paintless dent repair. Zero. Nada.